A 16-year-old, Juvenile Brown, was arrested yesterday after two shootings near Manual High in recent days. He's now facing adult charges of aggravated battery with a gun. It's Thursday evening. I'm Tyler Lopez.
And I'm Amber Crisco. We wanted to know if there's been any changes to the juvenile justice system under the no cash bail law that took effect in September. Madison Porter talked to a youth defense attorney to understand more. Madison?
Amber and Tyler, the No Cash Bail Act has no impact on the juvenile justice system. In fact, kids never had the option for bail. But in this case, when they're charged as an adult, it's different.
The adult court judge that would be overseeing those excluded jurisdiction or automatic transfer petitions in the adult system would be bound by the new Safety Act.
Youth defense attorney Patrick Keenan-Devlin says the juvenile system is similar to parts of the new no cash bail system in relation to detaining or not detaining.
Adult court judges very similarly now are using best interest standards for the community to determine whether they are holding or not holding. It's a little more complicated within the Safety Act than it is within the Juvenile Court Act.
Keenan-Devlin says most of the time children under 18 are tried in juvenile courts, but there are exceptions in the Juvenile Court Act that automatically transfer.
If prosecuted for one of three classes of offenses, again, first-degree murder, aggravated criminal sexual assault, or aggravated battery with a firearm, the state is empowered to prosecute those children in an adult court setting.
According to a statement from Peoria County State's Attorney Jody Hoos, 16-year-old Juvenile Brown was charged with aggravated battery of a firearm after shooting a 17-year-old near Manual High School. Because of his age and the aggravated battery with a firearm charge, his case qualifies for an automatic transfer to adult felony court. But because he is still under 18, if the judge decides to detain him, he will remain in the juvenile detention center.
Law says that there must be a sight and sound barrier between adult and juvenile detainees. So that would apply. The 16 and 17-year-old would be held in a juvenile detention center.
Michael Brown is scheduled for a detention hearing tomorrow. The state's attorney has filed a petition to also transfer the other teen to adult court.